This is a trail in Quebec, where I'm from, and it's a cycling path actually, but people walk on it as well, and it's right near where my grandparents' house is up north, and we haven't been up here all winter, and we came up today, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love being in nature. These are deer prints. I kind of recorded a bit too late. Maybe I'll record on our walk back, because right now we made it to the main road, but further back there's a lot of beautiful spots. In the summer we like to come up, and in the fall and we like to mushroom pick here, and I'll probably make some videos about that once the mushrooms start popping up, but right now there are no mushrooms. But we find a lot of good ones along this path. So yeah, this trail is part of the Great Trail, which is a trail that goes all across Canada. It's 24,000 kilometers, I believe, and it's the longest trail in the world. All the snow's melting. Look at all the moss on this rock. I love it. Look at this. I got a macro lens that I've been taking a bunch of photos with and videos, and it's so beautiful to see nature up close. You know, it's kind of cool to be able to see stuff that you otherwise would have missed. Mini pine cones. I wish you could see this in person. Video does not do it justice. And it's so pretty in the summer. There's a stream down there. You hear that song?
Yeah.
How bizarre. How bizarre. How bizarre.
How bizarre! How bizarre!
Water down. How bizarre. Oh wow, my phone's already at 15%. How is that possible? That's craziness. Oh, look at the deer, Ma.
Oh, hello. Hi. That's not scary. Hi.
Oh my god, my video is so blurry. Let me trying to get closer so she's so cute. I don't think you can see this in video. My camera. Oh, she's coming close.
Thank you.
Hi. Okay. I'm sorry. How beautiful is this?
Oh, hello. Hello.
She's walking right towards me.
Hello.
She's a baby. Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't be scared.
Oh. I love deer. They're so beautiful. They're so... I just love animals. Oh my gosh. And to think that people hunt deer. My mom, when she was a kid, when she was young, like a teenager, she said she used to come here, and her and my aunts, my dad, and my mom's cousins used to swim in the creek here. Look at that.
How bizarre.